Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the Chefbar Whistling Stovetop Tea Kettle. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it, so let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. This tea kettle has a pretty good size at 2.5 liters or about 85 ounces, which is a great size if you have guests over to have enough to serve everyone. It is also lightweight and easy to carry around whenever you are using it. One of my favorite features of this kettle is the wooden handle, which provides insulation, especially when the kettle is filled with hot water, so I don't accidentally burn myself. It also gives me a firm grip while I am carrying or pouring the kettle. Also, the kettle is made of food-grade stainless steel that makes it rust-resistant and durable. My stove is a gas stovetop, which is what I am using to try the kettle, but it also works on any kind of stovetops, such as the induction cookers or even electric stovetops as well. I filled the kettle with some water and turned on the stove to let it boil. As the water started to boil, notice the kettle starting to whistle as the steam comes out of the spout. Overall, it is a pretty neat tea kettle that is well designed and works very well to prepare a good amount of hot water for serving family and friends as well as during various gatherings. If you are in the market for a stainless steel stovetop tea kettle, either for yourself or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasion, be sure to take a look at this.